In my small town, they didn't really talk about trade jobs a whole lot, but I've always liked learning and breaking down how things are put together and how things work.
To have an opportunity to get into a more stable field and to have any of the barriers of entry financially to kind of be brought down and give a little bit more of a helping hand, I think that's very valuable for a lot of young people trying to get into the workforce.
I like to progress and to move up and to be technical with hands-on things. And since that welding has always been a passion, why don't I just jump into it, see what opportunities come up? The program is absolutely amazing. I was really thrown back and excited by how fast we got into the welding lab. I hope to find a job that I can grow in. Hopefully they send me back here. I know that skill will always be here and other people will need it.